Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add people in. Adding users correctly helps everyone get secure access to the right applications and resources in your organization. Now, let's get started. On your phone dashboard, we go to the directory. You can click this drop-down in the directory and you will see the People section. Here, we can add a person. Just click Add Person, then fill in their details. Choose the user type. Here, you can select options like Standard User. Make sure to enter the email address. This is an example. When you are done, just click Save. After you refresh, you will see the person has been added here as a pending user. You just need to follow up on that pending user's action. That's how we add people in Okta. With proper user management, we can keep strong security and smooth access control across our systems.